Alright, so for our next step, so we just created our right angle here. I'm going to make a nice point there of those intersections. Alright, what I'm going to allow this part here to be the bottom part of my triangle from here to there. So I don't know, let's just name this A and that point B. Alright, we're not going to worry about the left-hand side here. So what we need to do, if we solve, is we need to make sure we have congruent sides of that triangle. So in order to do that, we are going to copy a segment. So copying a segment is the easiest one of our constructions. I'm going to have my compass setting open up between A and B. Alright, so notice how that is opened up from both of those points. So I'm going to come up here to this line and I'm just going to make an arc. Alright, so notice that arc intersects there. That is going to allow me to know that, let's call this point C here, that the distance between A and C is congruent to the distance between A and B. So let's throw a nice thick tick mark on there so it doesn't look like one of our construction marks, but we know that those sides are congruent. And we are going to make that into a triangle now. The fact that we have what we call an isosceles right triangle, meaning isosceles meaning two sides are congruent, right triangle because we have here, it's automatically going to make these two angles here congruent. So these are both going to be 45 degrees because a triangle has to add up to 180 degrees. All right, so that is the next step.